I arrived complete, already home. My way in the room, my quiet control. I learned my words, my own sound. Every time I speak, the whole slows down. I carry a meaning when I breathe. I say the tune when I believe. I don't inherit, I become. Authority lives where I'm from. My name is my crown. It rests my voice. I stand in myself. Every step is a choice. I shift the ground where I'm found. Light follows when I come around. My name is my crown. I enter spaces and their lines. Time adjusts when I decide. They move like truth without display. Presence speaks before I say. I sit in my own domain. What I'm needs no debate. I define the frame. My name is my crown. It rests in my voice. I stand in myself. Every step is a choice. I share the ground where I'm found. Light follows when I come around. My name is my crown. Say my name, it carries weight. Say it once, it opens space. Oh, my name is my crown. For reason, I walk in power. I'm the slider, I am the sound. I arrive complete. My name is my crown. Presence define enough.